Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for the Meterk Wirestripper and Crimper set. The tools come in a zipper carry case, and this is the Wirestripper tool. On the other side is the Crimper tool, and in the middle is a hex screwdriver for switching the dies on the Crimper. In these pouches are additional dies for different size and shaped terminals. On the Wirestripper, you can see there are some functions in the handle. For example, a wire cutter, insulated wire crimper, and non-insulated wire crimper. To strip a wire, insert it horizontally across the two sides of the teeth. Then simply squeeze the handles together, and it will strip and remove the cut insulation. The teeth on the crimper are adjustable in tension for different diameter wire from 10 to 24 gauge. For thicker wire, turn the tension knob counterclockwise, and clockwise for smaller diameter wire. Always start with the loosest tension and tighten as needed. This avoids having the tension be too strong, which may allow the stripper to cut too deeply into the wire. The stripper also has a strip length gauge, which allows you to set the length of the stripped portion of the wire from 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch, ensuring all your wires are stripped the same amount. There's also a cutter in the middle of the handle that works pretty well. The crimper in the middle of the handle is a bit difficult to use since you have to squeeze really hard, so I recommend using the dedicated crimper tool for this. For the crimper, the different openings in the die are marked for the sizes of the terminal or color-coded. To change a die, use the included screwdriver to remove the hex screws and slide in the new die. Make sure to properly align the teeth of the die when reassembling. These pliers are ratcheting and have good leverage, making crimping easy. First, set the connector into the die. The ratcheting design ensures the connector stays in place while you insert the wire. There's also a positive stop in the pliers, so as it ratchets down, it keeps its grip until the crimp is completed. With this ratcheting crimper, the crimps are quick, easy, and secure. The whole tool set works well, and it's convenient for a variety of wire and terminal sizes. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.